One evening, as 7-year-old Leo gazed out his bedroom window, something extraordinary happened. The moon winked at him. Leo rubbed his eyes. Did the moon just wink? Before he could wonder any longer, a silvery ladder slid down from the sky, right onto his windowsill. A tiny glowing creature with starry freckles and a mischievous grin popped its head over the edge. "Hiya, Leo. I'm Twinkle, the moon's messenger. The boss says you're invited to moon school tonight." Leo's heart raced. Moon school? Yep, where Earth kids learn secret moon stuff, like how to jump in low gravity, talk to moon bunnies, and why cheese doesn't actually grow there. Leo grabbed his jacket. Space can be chilly, and climbed the ladder. With each step, he felt lighter until, boing, he bounced right onto the moon's surface. The classroom was made of shimmering stardust. The desks floated. The chalk wrote on its own. And the teacher, a wise old tortoise with a tiny astronaut helmet, had a twinkle in her eye. She welcomed Leo with a smile. "Welcome to Moon School, Leo. Today we'll learn lunar languages, moon math, and most importantly, the secret job the moon does every night. First, lunar languages. Say this," the teacher said, tickling a nearby crater. "Craters are like totally giggly." Sure enough, the crater giggled. Then the teacher turned to Leo. "Now try it." Leo took a deep breath and tickled another crater. "You make me dizzy." That one giggled too. It was so much fun. Next was moon math. "What's 1 + 1?" the teacher asked. "Starlight," shouted a student. "That's right," the teacher said with a smile. "Here, Starlight, you make the light." Next, the most important lesson. The moon's secret job. Every night, the moon collects children's yawns, weaves them into dreams, and tucks them under pillows on Earth. "Want to help?" Twinkle asked. Leo nodded eagerly. So the moon gave Leo a butterfly net, and together they zoomed around the globe, catching yawns. They put the yawns in jars, and as they flew, Twinkle sang a little song. "Yawns little, big, teeny, weeny, mine and yours, all mixed in a dream, sprinkled with moonbeam." When the jars were full, the moon gave Leo a small glowing pebble, a piece of my magic. Now you'll always remember, even ordinary nights are full of wonders. Back in his bed, Leo clutched the pebble, grinning. Outside, the moon winked again. And from that night on, Leo never complained about bedtime. He knew that even if he couldn't see it, the moon was there, winking just for him. And in his dreams, he flew with Twinkle, collecting yawns and making dreams, knowing that every night was full of magic and every day was full of surprises.